Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a hotel, from check-in to check-out. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two travelers and the hotel staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What do you call the small fridge with drinks in a hotel room? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Here we are. This is our hotel.
Wow, the lobby is so big and bright.
Yes, it looks clean and nice.
I like the soft music in here.
Me too. It feels very calm.
Look at the big clock on the wall.
It is 2 in the afternoon.
Can we go to our room now?
Not yet. Check-in time is 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock? Why so late?
The staff need time to clean the rooms.
Oh, I see. That makes sense.
The guests before us just left this morning.
So the room must be clean and ready.
Right, but we can still ask at the desk.
Maybe the room is ready early.
Maybe. Sometimes we get lucky.
I hope so. I am a little tired.
Me too. The flight was very long.
What is that big desk over there?
That is the front desk. We check in there.
And those people in uniforms?
They are the hotel staff. They help the guests.
Good. I may need a lot of help.
Don't worry. I will help you too.
This is my first time at a big hotel like this.
Really? Then this trip will be very special.
It already feels special to me.
Look, there is a desk for bags over there.
Can they hold our bags before check-in?
Yes, we can leave them and walk around.
That is so convenient.
Hotels try to make everything easy for guests.
I can feel that already.
Let's relax. We have a nice trip ahead.
Yes, I am excited now.
That's great to hear.
Thank you, Ken. Oh, I have a question.
Sure, what is it?
In hotel rooms, there is a small fridge.
Yes, a small one, with drinks and snacks inside.
What do we call that small fridge in English?
Good question. Do you know the word?
No, I am not sure.
Don't worry. You will learn it very soon.
Okay, I will listen and try to find out.
Perfect. Now let's go to the front desk.
Yes, let's check in. I am ready.
Hello, welcome to our hotel.
Hello. We have a reservation.
Wonderful. What name is it under?
It is under Ken Tanaka.
Let me check for you. One moment, please.
Sure. Take your time.
I found it. 2 nights, 1 room. Is that right?
Yes, that is right.
May I see your ID, please?
Of course. Here is my passport.
Thank you. And a credit card, please.
Here you are. Why do you need my card?
It is for extra things, like food or drinks.
I see. So you take some money now.
No, we ask your bank to keep some money ready. We do not take it now.
A hold? What does that mean?
It means the money is saved for extra costs, like the minibar.
And if I use nothing extra?
Then we end the hold. Your bank frees the money in a few days.
That is good to know. Thank you.
Here are your key cards. You have 2.
Thank you. What floor are we on?
You are on the 5th floor, room 508.
Great. Where is the elevator?
It is on your right, near the green plants.
Got it. Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is from 7 to 10.
Where do we eat it?
On the second floor in the dining room.
Perfect. And what about the Wi-Fi?
It is free. The name and password are on this card.
One more thing. Is there a pool?
Yes, on the top floor. It is open until 10.
Would you tell me about the gym, too?
Of course, the gym is next to the pool.
Is it open all day?
Yes, the gym is open all day and night.
Nice. Is there ice on our floor?
Yes, the ice machine is near the elevator.
Good to know. We came a little early today.
I understand. Let me check your room for you.
Is our room ready now?
You are lucky. Your room is ready early.
That is wonderful news.
You can go up anytime you like.
That is great. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Which way is room 508?
This way. Let me use the key card.
How does the key card work?
I just tap it on the door, like this.
Oh, the little light turned green.
Yes, green means we can open the door.
Wow, the room is so nice.
It is. Look at the big window.
The view is beautiful. I can see the whole city.
Let me turn on the lights.
There are 2 beds. That is perfect for us.
And here is the bathroom. It is very clean.
There are towels, soap, and shampoo.
Yes, the hotel gives us all of those.
What is this little box on the wall?
That makes the room warmer or cooler.
Nice. And what is in this closet?
There is a safe. You can lock your money inside.
Great. What is on this small table?
There's a kettle. You can make tea or coffee.
Is that free?
Yes, the tea and coffee here are free.
Nice. And these soft slippers?
Those are free too. You can wear them in the room.
This hotel thinks of everything.
Let me turn on the TV for a minute.
It is so big and clear.
We can watch it later tonight.
That is useful. Oh, Ken, look here.
What did you find?
A small fridge, the one from my question.
You found it. Open it and look inside.
There are drinks, water, and some snacks.
Right. That small fridge is called the mini bar.
The mini bar? So that is the word.
Yes, now you know it.
Can we eat these snacks for free?
No, the drinks and snacks in the mini bar are not free.
Really? How much does it cost?
It is often very, very expensive.
Oh, then I will not touch it.
Good idea. Some mini bars even have sensors.
Sensors? What do they do?
If you move a drink, they may charge you.
Wow, then I will be careful.
Smart. We can buy snacks at a store for less.
Good plan. Let's rest for a while now. Excuse me, do you work here?
Yes, I do. How can I help you?
We need more towels in our room, please.
Sure. How many do you need?
2 more, please.
No problem. What is your room number?
It is room 508.
Okay. I will bring them to you soon.
Thank you. I also have a question.
Of course. Please go ahead.
What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 in the morning.
11? That is a little early for us.
We can give you a late checkout if you want.
Really? How does that work?
You can leave at 1 o'clock instead.
That is great. Is there an extra cost?
No, this time it is free.
Thank you so much. That really helps.
You are welcome. Is there anything else?
Yes, one more thing.
Sure. What is it?
When can the cleaner come to our room?
Around noon. but you can ask for a different time.
How can I do that?
Just call the front desk and tell us a good time.
Got it. And if I want no cleaning at all?
Then put the Do Not Disturb sign on your door.
Oh, the little sign on the door handle?
Yes, exactly. Then no one will come in.
Got it. Can I also get a wake-up call?
Sure. What time would you like?
At 7 in the morning, please.
Okay, the phone will ring at 7.
Perfect. Where can we eat dinner near here?
There is a good restaurant across the street.
What kind of food do they have?
They have soup, salad, and fresh fish.
That sounds great. We will try it.
I'm glad. Is there anything else?
One more question. Do you have laundry service?
Yes. Put your clothes in the bag in your room.
And then what do I do?
Call us and we will pick them up.
That is great. How long does it take?
It is usually ready the next day.
That is helpful. Thank you very much.
Happy to help. I will bring the towels now.
Perfect. Thank you again.
Good morning. Are you checking out?
Good morning. Yes, we are.
May I have your room number?
It is room 508.
Thank you. How was your stay?
It was wonderful. We had a great time.
I am so happy to hear that. Did you use anything from the minibar?
No, we did not touch it.
Okay, so there are no extra charges.
Good. We bought our snacks at a store.
That was a smart choice.
How much do we need to pay today?
Your room is already paid. There's nothing more to pay.
What about the hold on my card?
We will end the hold today. There is no charge.
How long until my bank frees the money?
It can take a few days. That is normal.
Oh, good. Now I feel better. Thank you.
May I have your key cards back?
Of course. Here are both cards.
Thank you. And here is your receipt.
Great. One more thing, please.
Sure. What do you need?
Can you keep our bags until tonight?
Yes, we can. Another staff member will help you.
Thank you. Our flight is late at night.
No problem. Here is your bag ticket.
Should I keep this ticket safe?
Yes, please. You need it to get your bags.
Sure. By the way, the breakfast was great.
Thank you. I will tell our kitchen staff.
Please do. We also left a small tip in the room.
How kind. But tipping is not the same everywhere.
Right. In some countries, people do not tip.
True. Here, a small tip is a nice thank you.
Where can we find a taxi later?
Right in front of the hotel. They wait there.
Great. That makes it easy. By the way, we really enjoyed the late checkout.
I am glad. It gives guests more time.
Do you have a map of the city?
Yes, here is a free map for you.
Thank you. Can you show me the train station?
Of course. It's a 5-minute walk from here.
Got it. Thank you for everything.
You are welcome. Please come back again.
That was a really great hotel.
It was. The staff were so kind.
Yes, they helped us a lot.
And our bags are safe at the front desk.
So we can walk around the city now.
Right, and we come back for them tonight.
I have the bag ticket right here.
Perfect. Don't lose it.
Ken, I learned a new word today.
Oh? Which word?
The small fridge in the room.
Do you remember the name?
Yes, it is the minibar.
That is right. You remembered it.
And the minibar is not free.
Right. It is usually expensive.
So we buy our snacks at a store.
Exactly. We learned a lot today.
I did. Check in, the room, and check out.
And how to ask the staff for help.
Yes, now I feel ready for any hotel.
I am proud of you.
Thank you, Ken. This was really fun.
And remember, we got a late checkout too.
Yes, we left at 1 o'clock, not 11.
That gave us more time to rest.
The staff were really helpful about that.
We just asked them politely.
That is a good lesson. Just ask.
Right, most staff are happy to help.
So, what should we see first in the city?
Let's find a nice park and some good food.
Yes, that sounds perfect. And Grace gave us a free map of the city.
Yes, the train station is very close.
We can take the train or a taxi.
The weather is nice, so let's enjoy it.
I feel happy and ready.
Before we go, let me check the bag ticket.
I have it safe in my bag.
Perfect. Then we are all set.
I really love traveling with you.
Me too. Every trip is an adventure.
Let's have a wonderful day in the city.
This is a great start to our trip.
Let's make many good memories today.
Now let's get a taxi to the city.
Good idea. Where do we wait?
Right here, by the hotel door.
Look, a taxi is coming now.
Perfect timing. Let's go.
I can't wait to see the city.
Me too. Let's enjoy our whole day.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What do you call the small fridge with drinks in a hotel room? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.